everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 609 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to be trying out another Focallure product. So the brand Focallure sent me a bunch of different products for free, I will admit that, and I've already tried out two of the products. I tried out the matte liquid lipstick and their Diamond Glow highlighter. Both of them are amazing. My new favorite products of both of those categories. So if you want to see my review on those, I will have those linked down below. And even though the brand sent me these products for free, these reviews and opinions are completely honest, all my own thoughts. I do have a discount code that will get you 25% off. It's Christy, so I will have that in the description down below as well, but that's not an affiliate code or anything like that. But so this product right here on the website is $5. It's on sale from $14. I'm not so sure if these sale prices are going to last a long time or if they're always on sale, but needless to say, the products from Focallure are very affordable, especially for the amazing high quality that they've been so far. I honestly have pretty high expectations for this product since I've been loving everything so far. So I got this in the shade number 7, which is Ruddy Pink. But this comes in a bunch of different shades. That's something that I really like about the Focallure website, is that all of their products come in so many different colors. However, that does make it really hard to choose which ones to get. But let's see how this one looks. Pretty packaging. It has frosted glass, but then that also makes it hard to know what color I'm getting, so it's gonna be a bit of a surprise, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, this has that same applicator that the matte liquid lipstick has, which is the rounded tip kind of flat spatula applicator, which I really like. It's nice and flexible. Ooh. Beautiful, I love this color. This is like I would say a nude pink shade. Like, this is the kind of color that I'm drawn to when I want to do a nude lip. So, let's see. I'm not really getting a scent, like a fragrance from this. This just kind of has that standard liquid lipstick type of scent to it. So, nothing too crazy or strong there. But wow, this looks like really good pigment. I'm so excited to see how this shade looks on me. Oh, yes, I love how this color looks. So it actually stays the same color from when I swatched it to how it looks on my lips. That's like the last color that I tried out. It ended up being a lot darker on my lips than how it looked in the tube and how I thought it was going to look. But this is what I was hoping for, what I was expecting in terms of color. Such a beautiful, wearable nude pink shade that can go from day to night. And it's so comfortable on my lips. I love a velvet liquid lipstick because it's not as drying as those matte liquid lipsticks, but then it still has that beautiful mattified finish, but not too matte, kind of like a creamy matte finish. So this looks so good on my lips. It looks smoothing. It's not like settling into any of the lines or texture that I have on my lips. But this formula, I noticed when I was applying it, was interesting because it kind of feels like a watery formula, like it's very thin. And when I first applied it to my lips, it almost felt cooling, but it's still so pigmented. So you're getting full color with such a thin formula, which I think is really neat. I cannot stop looking at this. It looks so perfect. Full color, smooth, beautiful shade. I have very dry lips, but this is not the least bit drying. It feels so comfortable and hydrating. Now let's see that transfer. So a little bit of transfer. The product claimed to be long lasting, but said that there would be transfer. But yeah, still beautifully, perfectly intact on my lips. So even though there is transfer, it's still going to stay intact, long lasting. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this. I cannot believe I never tried out anything from the brand Focallure, and now, knock on wood, everything I've been trying out has been like some of my favorite products I've ever tried. I feel so lucky that they sent me these products, but these are absolutely products that I will repurchase on my own because they are that amazing. They're products that I want to buy for everyone in my life because they're so good, and I think that everyone needs to try them. If you've tried this, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But seriously, if you have not tried this, clearly I would recommend it. I definitely think that everyone should try it out. I think that I need to try it out in all of the different colors. Like, my lips feel so hydrated, like I have a lip balm. Like, this is so comfortable. It's not sticky at all. Like, the matte liquid lipstick was kind of sticky. This one, not sticky at all. So if that stickiness does tend to bother you, go for the Velvet formula. This is just all around perfect. The perfect color. I love how my makeup is looking today. Well, now I am just dying to try out the rest of my Focallure products. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get to see those other products tried out in future videos. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.